everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, depending on where this video falls. It's been a little while since I've done a vlog, but I really missed it. I actually really miss Vlogmas. Life has been crazy. I will update you later, but Cliff Notes, TLDR, I got a job. That has been taking a huge chunk of time, so I haven't been like focused on YouTube or anything else, but that's not what this video is about. This is probably going to be a multiple part series. This one might not turn into like a vlog. This is more like a pack with me and clean with me before vacation video, which I'm so excited. We're not really going on vacation. It is about to be the July 1st long weekend here in Canada. And we're going to go up to the cottage, our annual cottage trip. Andrew and I, we're gonna be staying for about a week. And we'll still be working. Sorry, I'm tired. We'll still be working, but we're gonna be away, which should still feel like a vacation. Anyways, I wanted to show you some of the Amazon stuff that I got for our vacation, starting with this suitcase. Said that. But this is the Mixi. Don't mind this room. It's in the middle. This is my packing zone. This is the Mixi, Mixi. That's the brand. This is their carry-on style. We have quite a few trips coming up. I don't know if I'll take this with me to Kansas City because we're driving, but we're going to Miami this summer. We're like for a cruise. So this is a nice carry-on. It's supposed to fit in all overhead compartments. It's 20 inches thick. I think that's what it's supposed to be. What I love is it has this cup holder situation to put your coffee or your drink in the airport, which is so nice. Keep your hands free. Then pull this up. It has, closer, these little, I don't know what you call, hooks. So you can put your phone on it to like watch something, if it'll stay. Or you could use this to hang a bag. Like, it's great. You can put your purse on it. So I had been eyeing this for a while. That's not I'll show you what my favorite part of this, but this was $150, which I think is really a good price. But my favorite part is how it opens. So I'll show you. I've never seen a suitcase do this, but I love it and I think I'm hooked. It opens like this, opposed to in half. So technically it has more area than a bit larger of a carry-on. And then for packing, I also got these compressing packing cubes, and so these are compressed right now. If I decompress them, so they help kind of make your clothes compact. So that's a regular size, but then you can compress them to be smaller, and that way they fit better. So it really squishes everything in, and there's like quite a few sizes that I have, and they pretty much all fit in here. I am splitting up my bag. I mean, technically they all fit in here, but then I have no space for like my curling iron and shoes and things like that. So I'm also bringing my Louis Vuitton duffel. I have my makeup bag. Well, this is my skincare bag. This is my shower bag. This is my shower headband. Yeah. So we're gonna keep packing. Hopefully get that all done tonight, and then I really do not want to go to bed with this house being a mess because tomorrow we have a full day of work. I'm so thirsty. Fresca is the best. We have a full day of work and I want to leave right after we work. So let's get packing. Packing is done. I am so tired. I look exhausted. I'm not even wearing any makeup, but I just feel like if I don't get things cleaned up tonight, at least on the main floor, then I will just feel awful leaving tomorrow. So we'll clean the kitchen, the living room, dining room, front hall, go to bed, and then I've been getting up pretty early. For a while I was getting up late, so maybe I will get up and clean the second floor tomorrow. We'll see. But let's do this before I just like can't do it at all. Everything on the main floor is all nice and clean. I am going to go to bed. I'll work on upstairs tomorrow, and then we leave tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Good morning. Today I want to continue cleaning and getting ready. At some point I'm gonna throw our sheets in the wash. I want to clean up this office and the bathroom. So before I start work, let's get cleaning. It's so dark in here. Okay, let's make this bed. I am fully packed. There's my bags. This is just a blanket and then a new pillow Andrew's gonna bring to the cottage. I have my backpack. I just gotta pack that up when I am finished working, but that is it for this before vacation house clean. I gotta get to work for the day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope I see you again in my next vlog. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again later. Bye!